Yeah, good day everyone. Good day everyone. So I'm back on my press dashboard. So we are taking the part three of this school website design. So we are designing a school website, and this is what we've designed lately. This is our home. This is our home page. So normally I'm going to take you this now. I'm going to take you this now. So normally when we visit our website, when we type our URL of our website, normally it's taking us to a page which we don't like, and we've designed a separate home page. We now want it to be that okay, when anybody wants to visit my website, I want the person to first see this home page before any other page. It gets me now, instead of the person seeing, let me cancel this URL. This is my website URL now. So instead of the person seeing this other nonsense, it's going to do now. Just wait on a second. So now, instead of somebody seeing this type of nonsense that so you have visited your website like this, that's going to be no. So we want to change that. We are going to make it that anybody that visits our website first going to see the home page first. Good. So what are we going to do? Come to your WordPress dashboard. Scroll down. Sorry, scroll down. Yeah, scroll down. Come to settings here. You see the settings? Good. You will come to what do you call it? You come to readings. You come to readings. And you click on readings. Come to settings, click on reading. Then once you click on reading, it's going to bring out something. You're waiting for it. So good, it's going to bring out something like this. So what I'm going to do is that you just click on, they said your home page display. That's your latest post. So you just change it to, I want you to be a static page. You see? Now say, okay, if you want to be a static page, which page do you now want to select for your home page? You will now click on this, you select, you see, you will now select my home page. My post page, for those people that have blog, if you want to set your post page, that means the page you will be posting your blog. You come here and you select what your blog, but you don't have blog page. So let's choose about us. Good. So let me you now click on, please click on save changes. It's very, very important. Save changes. Click on save changes. Good. Now I want to now test that, okay, remember you should do that our website, or what is it going to, is it that's going to take us to the home page or what? Let's go and check it now. So this is the URL of my website. You can see just plain URL. So let me just reload it. I press enter. I'll just highlight it and just press enter. I've already reloaded it. So once I load it, you see what will happen. So let me show you what's going to happen. Let it load finish. Wow, okay. As you can see, wow, 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 wow. So anybody that comes to our website, this is what the person is going to see. As you can see, this is what the person is going to see. So now the person is going to see our home page, basically our home what, our home page. So the person, anybody that visits our website first, is going to see our home page. Instead of the person always clicking on home page, going to see our home page first. And the person can now go and just say, okay, I want to check your gallery, I want to check your animation page, I want to check your about us page, I want to check your about us page. Now in this tutorial, let's go on with it. So you are going to design what we call, we are going to design the admission page. We are going to design the what contact us page. We are going to design the what book a visit page. Those three pages are going to design it. So now the first thing I'm going to just do is to come here to your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins and go to add new. Good. Now we're on add new. Good. So we want to upload a plugin. So we want to upload the plugin. Is the premium aspect of that plugin. You get me now. So let me click on upload. Or okay, wait, let's just do it like this. Come here, come here and search for Fluent, Fluent form. Don't upload anything again. Just start coming and search for Fluent form. So as you can see, the Fluent form. So it's going to search for the friend form for me. You get it now? Wow, good. So it has brought it out. This is the friend form here. So you click on what? You click on install. We are going to use that. We are going to use that form to what? To build our what? Our book a visit and our what? Contact us and admission page. Those three pages you are going to use to build it. So then click on install. Install now. Waiting for it to install. So we are waiting for it to install. It's installing. So now as you can see now our plugin has already installed. So you just click on activate. So as to activate the plugin. So as to activate the plugin. So we are going to activate the plugin. So our plugin has been activated and it's going to what you see this is it here. Friends form. Friends form. So now what we are going to do next is what we are going to do next is that we are going to look for the friends form. As you can see here, already on our dashboard, friends form. You click on what? New forms. New form. Just click on new form. So now as you can see, it's going to this is what it's going to bring out for you. So you guys, this is what it's going to bring out for you. So it's still loading, that's why it hasn't displayed anything yet. As you can see. Good. Now we can now select any form we want. We can select any form we want. Sorry about that. We can select any form we want now. So as you can see, we have different form. We have the basic form here. So we can create contact form, conversation form, newsletter form, support form, opt-in form. So and we can also scroll down. Once you scroll down, this one is for basically those people that want to order. If you are creating online donation form, but I said here unlock in the pro version. So what you want to use there is the education part. So education, as you can see, so enrollment, university enrollment. So that's the form you are going to use. So as you can see, unlock in pro. So I have the pro version. As you can see, this form is the form you are going to use, Gongo. This admission form here. So admission form, as you can see, we are creating in the admission page. That's what we are going to do now. So and what we need is the admission form in the admission page. So that's what we are going to do. So I'm just going to now go back to what do you call it? I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to cancel at top here. So I'll now go back to my plugins to go and install the pro version. I'm going to send the pro versions to you guys. So you guys will try to install it too. You get me now, try to install it. So I'm on the add new plugin aspect. So I want to add new plugins. Wow. So now I want to add a plugin. You just click on upload here. You click on upload. So I want to go and take the file um from my PC. I want to go and take the device from my PC. So you see here, this is what I want to take here. This form here. I'll just click on it. This is the name. So I'm going to send it to you guys. So you guys should take note of that. So let me click on open. So I'll now click on what? I'll click on what? Install now. So once I install now, note before you can upload a plugin, it must be in zip file, please. I've said that before in the part two. I think in the part two I've said that it must be in the zip file. You get it? Now if it's not in the zip file, it's not going to enter. You won't even see it, everything will not even display. Because of people say you want to even install it. So now waiting for you to install, waiting for you to install. This is how it used to be. It might take time if the how will I say it? If the if the size is small, it might take time. If the size is small, it might be fast. If the size is big, it might take time to upload. So now as you guys can see, this is what's going to bring me to. So the plugin has already uploaded. It's going to show plugin installed successfully. So you now tell it to activate it. So you just click on activate plugin. So once you click on activate plugin, you're now going to now go back to that Fluent form. Or you want to say that pro version that we need, it has been unlocked. What we need there has been unlocked. You get me now? What we need there has been what? It has been unlocked. So okay, I'm waiting for it to install. I'm waiting for it to activate. As you can see now, it has been activated. You can see you must have these two Fluent Form, Fluent Form Pro add-on pack. Those are the two. Those are the two this thing must have. It's very very important. You get me now? It's very very important to have them. Now you come here, you can see this thing has changed to this thing have changed to Pro. So as you can see here, you are going to come. This thing has already changed to Pro, as you can see. So you just come to new form. That's like the way we did the last time. So you just come to new form. So once you come to new form, it's going to take you to where the form is, like the way it took us that last time. So this is what it's going to show again. So now we are going to go and search for that admission form. We are going to search for it. So there are two things we can do. Is either we put our is either we search for it from here, from this place here. Let me just type it admission. As you can see, I'm not even here type the admission. As you can see now, it has been unlocked. So you just click on create form. It's creating the form. As you it's creating the form. It's working. It's doing its own work. Good. As you can see here, successfully created a form. Good. Wow. Let's clap for ourselves. Created a form now. So now that I've created the form, I'm waiting for the form to load. These are going to load. Those blue, we don't touch anything. These are going to load. So what I'm going to now do is to edit the form. Now this is the admission form, like a normal regular admission form. Your first name, your last name, your email, your date of birth, the class you're applying for, this section as well. So this section we are going to change it. So how would you change it? I'm going to change show you how to do that. So there are the first things that I want to change this thing here to um okay, what I change it to? Let me think of what I change it to. Okay, let me change it to apply class applying for. What is the class you're applying for? So once I click on this, you see a pencil button. Just select this, you see a pencil button. Just click on the pencil button, it's going to bring out this. So now let's edit it. So I'll say apply apply for class and backspace this. Good. So now let me just put just three classes. Let's say KG. Let me put in calculator KG. I should put like maybe basic, basic, basic two, and I'll put like let's say basic, let's say basic five. Good. Let's just put that for the class. So we just click on save form here. Just click on save form. So you're going to save your the this thing that you've done now. So as you can see here now, we already this time they change to apply class. So this section here we don't need it. Let's delete it. So let's delete it. Delete. Um, good. Okay, it's not. I don't think it's this one. Let me see. Okay, it's the customization aspect of this one. Okay, so don't worry about that one. So just let's confirm. Let's delete it. I want to delete it today. Okay. Okay, I understand now. I now understand. I understand now. So I understand. No problem. Good. So now, as you can see now, normally, I didn't scroll down. Sorry for that. I didn't scroll down. As you can see, you apply for class. So let's change it to what we want to change it to that time. So person can apply for KG, and person can apply for A levels. Let me do that. Person can apply for A levels. So those are the two classes that are available. Their guidance name, guidance contact. Upload your photo. This one is very important. When you are doing admission, they'll tell you to upload your photo. So you click on edit. So the size file that you want, you can set it to, let's set it to 5 MB, because some people are very very funny sometimes. They can go upload one big file like that. So we've changed this thing to 5 here. So if you want to see another thing, to make the field required, as you can see, it's required for you to answer it yes. Just like that, you see it there, you just see it there, you see what you can do with it. So you can create any type of form with this fluent form. So it's basically one of the forms that I use because I have the opportunity to view my entries. So if you want to view your entries, this is where you are going to view it from. But let's first create the form and insert it into our design. So now our form already saved. So now just note this thing here. You get me now. So you can click on copy, or you can also do another thing. Now let's go back to our front page and let's go and edit the admission page. So you right click on this, you open it on a new tab. You also go and edit that page. So now the next one you are going to create is the contact form. So we'll come to add new here. So let's be creating our remaining forms before this one load finish. So that's the same way you are going to create the contact form. So you can create your contact form, contact us form, sorry. So now um let it load. Just like the way you used to do before. Let it load. Good. So as you can see, we already have contact us from here. As you can see. So you just click on what you just click on it. You just select it. So as you can see, it's already creating the form. Contact us form. So it's going to in what the advantage of this thing is that everything that is in normal default of any contact us from page, that's what's going to be there. You get me now. So it's going to create, as you can see, this is the contact us from. So it is loading. It has already created it, so it just reloaded. So let's wait for it to load. As you can see, the form has already loaded. Now we're about to edit the form. So I will show you where all your forms are stored. Now, as you can see, we don't need do we need subject? We need your first name. Okay. Here we don't need your first name, we don't need your last name. What we need here is your full name. So I'll click on edit. So once I click on edit, it's going to bring it out here. The form to the place to edit this aspect of the form. I'm waiting for it to load. Good. So now what I want here is not this thing. What I want is, let me change it to full name. Full name. Now I only want your first name to be here. I don't want anything else. Or I can just come here. Good. So I only want your first name to be here. So I'll just unlink this one. So once I unlink it, as you can see, it has changed. There's only one thing that is there. If I should place this thing back, it's going to appear. So and if I should add this one too, middle name, so as you can see, middle name has been added. So now the second thing I want to now do is that I want to change this first name. I want to change it to what? I want to change it to full name. So I'll come to this edit here. This is where I can edit the full name, the first name. I want to change it to full name. So I just come here and click backspace and just type full. Come here to backspace and type full. So yes, we require it from you. It's compulsory. You must tell us your full name before you can fill the form. So I click on required. So the next I'm going to do is to save the form. Just save it. Now let's imagine I want to now add another thing. So I can add another thing from here. This way you can add another thing. I want to add, let's say, um, I want you to, I want you to tell me, I want you to, let's say, let's see, I want you to add your phone number. As you can see here, I want to add your phone number. So what can I do? So I'll just scroll down and I'll just what drag. It's just the same drag and drop. I'll just drag and drop. You see? So it's already there already. We didn't enter. Let me drag and drop it again. Good. As you can see, mobile number. Let me now edit it. So the person has to provide the phone number before the person can work. The person can submit the this thing. So as you can see here, it's not required. So yes, required. Number two, validate. Let me scroll down. Validate phone number. Yes, you validate phone number. Yes. So you want it to enable auto select country. Yes, you want to enable auto select country. So we already enable the auto select country. So anybody that is in any country, the thing will just auto select by itself instead of the person always typing his own country. So yeah. So that's just it. So what else again? Nothing else. So we just click on what save changes, save form. Good, you save the form. Now the last form, you are going to create a new form. So this form, you are going to create it from the start. You get it now. Sorry for that. So I went to go and do something. I'm back now. So this is our contact us form. This is our contact us form. So now you are going to click on add new form. You are going to create another new form. That the form the last you are going to create is what we call the book a visit form. So I want to create that form so that we know I are done with creating the form. What I'm just going to now do is to come to the admission page and start designing the form that we want to use. So good. So now this is the home page, sorry. So let this one load. It's reloading. As you can see, the admission page has already loaded already. So next thing you're going to just do is to click on edit with Elementor. You can see it here, edit with Elementor. On the admission page that we loaded that time, that will open another new tab. Click on edit with Elementor. So you can click on, so once you click on edit Elementor, the thing might not edit. You get me now. So you can come to either team builder or site setting. So okay, come to team builder. Come to team builder. I think this thing already that's one load. Come to team builder. So it's either of the two. It's either of those two, site setting or team builder. But we've gone on team builder now, so it is loading the team builder. I'm waiting for this one to load finish. So I can create our own form. So what I'm just going to do is just create, let me search for it if that form is still there. If that form is not there, I'm going to create our own form. So we search for um let me search for it. Book a visit. It's not there. It's not there. It's not there. So so good guys, we're going to have to create our own form now. So let me teach you how to create a form. So you just click on create a blank form. So meaning that the form you're going to create now, the page will be blank, so you will now start inputting your own values that you want, that you wish to be there. So so now the page has already loaded, as you can see. They've showed giving you a video instruction on how to do it. But don't worry about that one. What you just do is this. This page have already loaded. Now the first thing we're going to do is to need the person's name. As you can see your name field. Okay. Since this thing here is not clicking yet. The thing I'm not able to finish. Okay, let's wait for it to finish. The network is not really on my side today. Let me just say general network is not always on my side because we just forget about it. So click on team builder. So that is not team builder I'm going to go to. So let me delete this. You'll come here and delete it. You see this place here. You'll come here and delete it so that you take it back to the where you're coming from before. Good. So you come to Elementor, edit Elementor, and you click on site settings. We're waiting for that one to load. So this one has been loaded already. So let me scroll down. Let me scroll down. This is a video instruction of how to use this form here, but no need at all. I'm going to show you how to use it now. So if you want to, if this is the first thing I will need, the name field. So just drag and do what and drop. We need the person's name. The what do you call it? How much one? The the guardian's name. We need the person that is about to come and visit. We need the person's name. So now you drag and drop the first thing. That's the person's name. So we don't need first name and last name. What we only need is just the guardian's full name. So I'll just come to edit first. I'll come to edit. So and I'll just unlock this. I'll remove this. And I'll just come to here. And I'll just change this to full name, just like the one we did that last time. Full name, and I'll just click that yes, it's compulsory for you to provide your full name. So now we are going to click on input field. So what we need from them is okay. Let's take radio radio button, radio field. So let me drag and drop. Come. So if the thing is not it's showing that it's not aligned, you can just wise up and just drag this one up here and drag that one down there. It's going to do. So let me edit this radio field. So I can just come here and just be like visit visit day. So let's say the delivery day we have is week no, let's say Saturday and Sunday. Good. So these are the two visit day. Yes, it's compulsory. So I want to go and click yes, it's compulsory. So what else do we need from them? We need their phone number. That's the last thing we need. So I'll come to input field here and I'll select what? I'll just look for phone number field. I'll drag and do what? I'll drag and what? I'll drag and drop. Once you replace I've not it's not a day. So as you can see now it's there. So you can use either two things. You can just double tap on it. You see it's going to be there. Or you can do drag and drop without the two. So let me basically yes, I want to do that. So I want to delete this field too. Good. So we need their mobile number. It's very, very important. Those are the three things we need from them. So we are going to go and customize our mobile number, their mobile number here. So I'll just click on yes, it's compulsory. We need to validate it to know the country they are that are going to visit. So yes, validate the mobile number. So now we will know if it is valid or is not valid. So yes, it will also select country for them. So after that, you can just click on what. No, don't need to select any country. So anybody can come and visit us in any country. Don't follow. So you just scroll up. Now we just come to what save form. So once you click on save form, it should bring out good. So once you click on save form, you'll come here. You see this thing. You see this thing. You just click on it. Just click on it like that. That's where I just came here and just click on it. And you just change the title. Change it to what? Book a visit. Good, good, good. So you just click on rename. Good. So as you can see, our form has successfully been updated. So we have done what we have created the three forms. So now let's go and check all the forms. So you want to check all the forms that I've created now. You come to what? You come to all forms. So I click on all forms. So I think you made a mistake here. This is not meant to be showing gallery. So let me click on back. Let me click on back. Sorry that the thing is loading. Let me just pause the video. So now this is the normal admission page. This is the normal admission page. So I think the mistake that we made here is that normally safe in the initial beginning we don't even edited this way with Elementor at all. You get me now? And I told you that I need to edit this Elementor before this Elementor thing can be showing. So let's go back to edit page first before now still edit Elementor. Now let's come back to this tab here. This one's be loading. Let's go back to this tab here. As you can see, when we click on all forms, book a visit is there, contact us is there, admission form is there. So these are three forms we need. These are the three forms we need. So now let's wait for this one to load. So it has already loaded already. So now sorry for that. I had to cut it so that I would this page can load. So now I click on Elementor, edit Elementor. As you can see, you've not edited the page with Elementor. So you click on edit Elementor and let's wait for it to edit it Elementor. Good. So as you can see now, our page has loaded. So the first thing I'm first going to do, now I told you we didn't do the page settings there. So you're going to come here to set the page. I'm going to change it from default to Elementor full width. Yeah, Elementor full width. And click on update. So it's going to make it expand. The meaning of Elementor full width is that we want all the page to cover the whole, you understand, to cover the whole page, basically, so that we won't be having some issues. I'm going to show you basically. I believe I showed you, but I'll show you. No worry about that. Just select the Elementor full width and let's get on with it. Good. Now. Now, what I'm first going to do is that you want an header here. You get me now. So you are going to come to add template here. You're going to select the template. As you can see, I'm going to select the template. Okay. Now let's choose this let me see this contact us template, or okay, let's choose this coming soon template then. Because what we really need in this template is the header. You get me now, we don't need the header, so let it load. Let me pause the video, let it load. So good, you guys. So when we clicked on this thing, this is what it showed us here. This is what it showed us. So now I'm going to start deleting these sections. We don't need all these sections here. So let me just select this. I'm going to select it and delete it. So let me come to this section here too. This one that is here. Let me see the site logo. I don't know the site logo here. Go down to site logo. This template say they are not serious. So okay, because it is coming soon logo. So let me delete this spacer. Let me delete this one too. For this one, I don't need it. So I can delete it from here, everything. I can delete everything from here. So this one too, I don't need it. Let me delete it. So good. And all the only thing I need here is this thing. So I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it to admission. So this is admission. Good. Now, as you can see here, this thing is long. This thing is too long. You can't just have this thing in the admission page. What are we going to do? I'm going to come here. Good. So now I'm going to change the height. As you can see, the height here is fit to screen. I'm going to change it to minimum height, or we are going to change it to default. Good. You see, we change it to default. The thing is already back to normal. As you can see, admission. The next thing we are going to do now is to click on here, add. We want to add a section by ourselves now. We want to create our own section now without importing anything. So you come here, you click on this section. So now what are we going to do? I'm going to add the form. So come to this up part here, this stuff here. You where my mouse is, just watch where my mouse is. You will now come here and type fluent. FU. Just type the fluent. As you can see, fluent forms. You see it? So now just drag and drop. Good. Now it's just going to ask you that which type of form do you want to put there among all the forms you've created. So as you can see, we are on the admission page. So it's the admission form I want to put there. So I select it. Good, 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 good. Nice work, guys. Nice work. So now the second thing I'm going to do is to update. Now we've not updated it. We've not updated it, sorry. So click on update for the thing for the software update. Now let me go back to my admission page here. So I'll click on admission to check if that changes are taking place. So good, as you can see, you see it, you can see it. So now at first we are not seeing anything here. Why are we not seeing anything here? We need to go and style it. We need to go and style the form. We need to do what? We need to style the form. So how are we going to style the form? We can come to the style here. Come to the style here. Good. Now you can now scroll down. You can now say, okay, oh, border radius. Border radius. I want the border radius to be 30. Good. I want there to be box shadow. Good. Now, you guys, give me that we made a mistake. Yeah, as you can see, when we made when we unlock this thing, you see that the box shadow is on this form. It's not inside the form. So you want it to be inside. So you click on back to default here. You get it now. So you see scroll down. So this one is for basically the the form container. As you can see, that's why that thing take place there. So we just press here. Good. So now if you want to edit the labels, you are going to come here, or yes, that you want to edit the inputs and text here, because I'm not saying anything in input and text area. I'm going to come to the input and text area here. So you click on it. Good. So now we want a border radius. Does it have? Yes, it have border radius, but does it have box shadow? Yes, that's box shadow. So let's press down and enable that. Wow, as you can see, guys, you see good. Now we want to now reduce this box shadow. How are we going to reduce it? As you can see, this is the setting of the box shadow. So you can reduce this is the blur. So the more you reduce the blur, the more the box shadow reduces. As you can see, you see guys. So let me put it to 4. Okay, 4 is too much. 3, good. Since 3 is okay, no, let's put it to 2. Yeah, 2 is okay. Everybody can see 2. So now the next thing I'm going to do is now to add border radius. Just scroll up. Now we can just put okay, we want 30 to be our border radius. Good. As you can see now, guys, can you see? Can you see? Wow, 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 wow. This is really making sense. You can see everybody wants to fill form. You can see the form here. You can see the apply permission this thing here. So you guys, as you can see, sorry about that. As you can see, we've designed we've designed the admission words the admission page. So let me just click on what? Let me click on updates so as to update it. So let me go and reload this page again. So let me reload the page. Let me reload it. This should have updated. Good, have updated. So let me reload it. So if you load it, wow, as you can see, guys, you see. So anybody that wants to apply, the person can just come here and start typing what he wants to type. So I'll type my name. I'm applying now. I start from my date of birth. I put my date of birth there. So everything is compulsory. I'm a male. I'm applying for A levels. Then my guidance name, I just put any name, Lagos. My guidance contacts, let's just say I just put any number there. So and my five. Let me just choose a file. Let me choose a file. So let me choose. Let me scroll down. Let me just choose one file like that. So, so I'm going to remove this section, this last section. I'm going to remove this comment section, but I'm not going to put yes. So I'll just click on what apply. Go the say you enter number. Enter your number. So 0 7 0 3 3 4 5 6 7. Let me click on apply again. So as you can see now it's going. See, thank you for your message. You will get in touch with you shortly. Wow, 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 wow. As you can see, we designed our what do you call it? Our page now, our admission page. We designed it. So this part three is going to have a continuation. So it's already getting long. So just stay tuned, Sha. I will do the remaining part. So that will be the book us, the book a visit and the contact us. Thank you very much.